welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the application package for Stipendium Hungaricum. This is a scholarship, fully funded scholarship in Hungary. In my previous video I was talking about the features of this scholarship and who can apply for this scholarship, and this video will appear somewhere here, so you can watch it. But in this video I will focus on what documents you have to send to the scholarship providers. First I will talk about the package of the documents that all applicants, notwithstanding the program, university and a level, should provide. Even if you're applying for master, bachelor or PhD, you have to provide these documents. First, I have also mentioned in my previous video that you have to apply for the scholarships through a specific platform. I shared with you the link in my previous video, and you can find it of course here below too. You have to fill the online application form. The online form includes the information about you. It is your education background, work experience, your volunteering work, internship, activities, whatever you have done before you applied for this scholarship. Also, you have to have your recent photo, which was taken not more than 2 years ago. So please prepare the electronic photo for the application form. Here you have to remember that in this part of the application you have to try to show as much good information about yourself as possible to convince the scholarship provider that you're worth getting this scholarship and you deserve it. So please find all your certificates, all your documents that can show you as a good applicant. The second thing that you have to upload to the platform is motivation letter. Motivation letter shouldn't be too long, and it shouldn't be too short. Usually it's maximum 2 pages, but if you are very precise and you can do it in 1 page, it's even better. I shared with you another video on how to write a convincing motivation letter, and it will be also somewhere around. You can watch it and try to write and draft a very selling and convincing motivation letter for this scholarship. The second thing is proof of the language proficiency. Most of the programs are available in English, and you can find of course some Hungarian programs. If you are talking about the English language, it should be the IELTS exam or TOEFL. It will depend on the university. Now you can see of course in the platform that the requirements of specific university, which score they accept and which certificate they accept. But in most of the cases IELTS exam certificate is acceptable, and it should be 6.0 or 6.5 more, and it usually starts from 5.5 until 7.5 for most of the programs. But if you don't have IELTS certificate, it's not a problem, because usually you have more than 9 months to upload your IELTS certificate. Then if you don't have the IELTS certificate, you should write a declaration stating that you don't have the IELTS examination, but you get the responsibility to upload it by the 1st of August. So if you're applying in November, December, you will have more than 9 months to get ready for the exam and to upload the certificate. I will have some more videos on IELTS certification and IELTS examination in my future videos, so stay tuned. But if you studied in English previously at high school, at your bachelor degree or master, you can provide the proof that your program was in English. But still you have to remember that if it is not in the English language, you have to provide the translation of the document. It's very important. The next thing is school certificates or diplomas. If you're applying for bachelor, it will be a school from your high school. If it is a master, it will be your bachelor degree. You have to provide not only the original scan of the document, but the translation of this document. And please don't forget that translations should be notarized. The next thing is transcript of record. You can ask and you can get this document from your school or universities. Usually there are special departments at universities which provide this transcript of records. And again, if it is not in English, you have to translate it in English or into Hungarian. You have to provide the copy of your identification card, your passport, and your passport should be translated into English, and it should be notarized. The last thing is a medical certificate. Usually you can find the example of this form in the platform, and they will provide you, and it should include the medical examinations, and it should be signed and stamped by the hospital or the doctor therapist of you. And in different countries it will be different, of course, but usually if you go to the hospital in your country and show them the form and explain them that it's before applying abroad, they will give you some instructions and you can do it easily. If you're applying for PhD programs for this scholarship, you have to remember that you should upload additionally 3 documents. First of all, it is a research proposal. I will talk about research proposal in more details in my next videos. And you have to provide 2 letters of recommendations, and again I will have separate videos on them, but it's usually from your professors from university or from the place you are working currently. The third thing is statements of the supervisor. You have to check the university first before looking for a supervisor in the program, because some of the universities require you to find a supervisor to agree with him or her your topic and your plans for applying for this program. But some of the programs and some of universities they usually don't do it. You just need to connect the department, and department will find a suitable supervisor for you. What you should do here: first you find the program, you learn about the program and how what requirements they have on these statements from your supervisor. After you after you find out that you have to find your supervisor yourself, again you go to the university websites and find the supervisor and contact them. If the university said that there is no need for contacting the supervisor, then you have to write the department of international department of the university and ask for further instructions. In my case, I applied for 2 universities. It was Corvinus University and second university. Corvinus University didn't ask for a statement of the supervisor. They just provided me the document that I have contacted them, and in case of my application is successful, they would provide me a supervisor. In terms of Szeged University, I found a supervisor. I contacted her and she was quite nice, and I still remember her. So she gave me a statement that she's ready to work with me on specific topic that I chose that time. So in general, don't be afraid to contact the supervisors, the PhDs, professors, because they are really open-minded and they will help you for sure. I hope this video was useful for you, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.